Hello and welcome to part 2 of membership application. Here I'm going to walk you through the process after you've already registered with the website, but you did not upload your documents during the process and what's going to happen. So you're going to go up here to member login, and then we're going to log in under my new fictitious account here for admin, but yours would be different, of course. And I'm going to click login, and it's going to tell you membership has not been approved. This is the reason you want to have all your documents ready to be uploaded during the registration or the membership application process. You won't be able to continue any further at this point until you contact me, your webmaster, and make arrangements to get those documents loaded into your profile. Okay, so once your profile is activated by myself, the webmaster, the next step is to go up in the top right corner, and I believe this applies also to the mobile app if you're using that. And you're going to click on profile, and then you're going to see this page right here open up, and you've got several options to choose from. This here is where your basic information is. You just click in the box and it'll show all the registration information right here. Then I don't need to save it, so we're going to click back. Additional member information. This is the page that you filled out during the process. It shows it here. If you need to update any of the information, like maybe your tow vehicle, your trailer license plate, and things of that nature. So for those who have not uploaded their documents and their hold harmless agreement during the initial registration process, you're going to go to here and click on attachments. And then you're going to click on the add, and this is where you'll be able to select what it is that you're looking to upload, whether it's registration, insurance, side photo of your machine, or the ATV defense, indemnity, and hold harmless agreement. When you've uploaded a document, you're going to see pending blue over here instead of the yellow. And then once your documents have been approved, it's going to turn that circle to green on each one. I would like to add here that when you're submitting your documents, I need copies of each individual registration ID card, insurance ID card, photos of your machine or machines, and an individual copy of your hold harmless agreement. Once you have finished uploading your documents or adding your documents, you want to scroll to the bottom of the page and return to previous page, and that will get you out of that area. Then all you have to do is go up here to the top right and log out. Adding one more thing to this process also applies if you're going to update the documents you have on file. Say your insurance ID card is expired or your registration has expired, you're going to go in and do the same thing to update those documents. I'm not sure if you're able to remove them, but I do daily house cleaning and will remove any documents that need to be removed if they're duplicated. All right. So once again, that's the end of this video.